Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to share with you my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul, and I received this product long back and I'm very late in uploading this video, but better late than never. So if you want to know what all products I purchased during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, then please continue watching. Now, the first brand that caught my attention during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale was Colorbar, and I purchased quite a lot of products from this brand. And first I picked up these three kajals from the brand Colorbar, and this is the Colorbar Just Smoking Kajal, and I purchased these in three colors. The first one is just Marsala, the second one is just blue, and the third one is just brown. This is how the shade Just Marsala looks like, and the second one is the shade Just Blue, and the third one is the shade Just Brown. I purchased this kajal before and I absolutely love the formula of these kajals. They're very smooth, pigmented, they last for a very long time on my waterlines, and they can be also used as eyeshadows. So I absolutely love these smoky kajal, and I would highly recommend you to purchase these just smoky kajals from the brand Colorbar. I think Colorbar is a brand which does one of the most amazing kajal formula. I've also purchased one more eyeliner from the brand Colorbar, and this is the Colorbar Eye Glide Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Cocobar, and I absolutely love this formula. This is a dark brown kajal, but this does not have any glitter or shimmer particles in it. It is an absolutely matte kajal, and I absolutely love this Cocobar kajal. And I also purchased these two lip crayons. The first one is the Colorbar Matte Me As I'm Lip Color. The first one is in the shade Jinks, and the second one is in the shade Outrage. Outrage is a beautiful pink color that is going to suit medium to dusky skin tones amazingly well. And the shade Jinks, it looks absolutely stunning on the deeper to dusky skin tones. I absolutely love both of these shades that I purchased, and these were on very good discounts, so I thought of picking these up. Then I also picked up two lip liners from Colorbar. These are the Colorbar Cuties Definer Lip Liner, and I purchased these in two shades. The first one is clear red and the other one is in chocolate brown shade. So these are the two lip products. I think both of them look amazing, and I love the formula of these lip liners. They glide very smoothly on my lips and they have a great intense color payoff. So I absolutely love these lip liners. I know they are very tiny, and you might be thinking these will not last for a very long time, but these are enough for me. I think if I'm able to finish even these lip liners, it will be a great thing for me. And these are amazing, and I absolutely love these lip liners, and they're one of my favorite lip liners, and I absolutely recommend these lip liners too. Then I purchased this Lakme Absolute Liquid Highlighter. This is a new launch by the brand Lakme. I wanted to try these out, and I have chosen the shade Rose Gold, and I'll upload a review of this highlighter very soon on my channel, so stay tuned for that. These were available in three shades, but I have chosen the shade Rose Gold, and I really want to see how this works on my skin tone. Then I also picked up a liquid lipstick from the brand L'Oreal, and this is in the shade 223 Eye Loose Up, and this is a gorgeous nude brown shade that is going to look stunning on so many skin tones, and I'm absolutely in love with this liquid lip, and I highly recommend this lip color. I think this is one of the most stunning nude lip color that can be worn for an everyday look. This does not smudge, this does not move, and it also lasts for a very long time. And this is a very lightweight formula. I love the formula of this liquid lipsticks. I think they have one of the most amazing liquid lipstick formulas, and I would highly recommend this shade to you. This is about 223 Eye Loose Up, and I absolutely love this gorgeous shade. This was also on a very good offer, so I thought of picking this up, and I absolutely love this L'Oreal Paris liquid lipstick. From L'Oreal, I also picked up the L'Oreal Paris Super Liner Gel Intenza. This is an amazing gel eyeliner. It also comes with a brush, and I absolutely love this gel eyeliner. I think this is one of the most black matte eyeliner, and I really love this eyeliner. And this was also on a very good offer, so I picked this up. I also picked up a compact powder from L'Oreal Paris, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Oil Killer High Coverage Powder. So this is what the outer packaging of the powder looks like, and this comes with SPF 32, it PA triple plus, and I purchased this in the shade 240 Natural Honey, and this is what the product looks like. It does come with a sponge, and this is the shade Natural Honey, and I'm okay with this shade. This shade works fine for me. I've used this powder a couple of times and this is a decent powder. If you want to know my complete reviews about this compact powder, then please let me know in the comment section below. Then I also picked up eyelash glue from the brand PAC and another one from the brand Miss Claire, and I love both of these lash glues, and Miss Claire eyelash glue is really good, but I love the PAC glue even more, and these are really nice lash glues. Another product that I got from the brand PAC is the PAC Mink Lash, and this is the M79 variant. These are really beautiful mink lashes. I tried these once. They look really good on your eyes and I love this. From PAC, I also purchased the makeup brush set that PAC has come up with in collaboration with Jovita, and this is the outer cardboard packaging of the brushes that the brand has come up with. I really love the amazing packaging of these brushes. The brushes come inside this very beautiful holographic pouch, and these are the makeup brushes that I received inside this packaging, and I absolutely love these brushes. Some of the brushes like the foundation brush and the powder brush and the concealer brush are one of my favorites. I do not like all the eye brushes present inside this set, but overall this is a nice makeup brush set to go for. I do love these brushes, and PAC offers some of the best affordable brushes that have really good quality, so I went ahead and picked up these brushes. They look absolutely beautiful, and the silver packaging, it looks absolutely stunning. I also received the Colorbar Nude Rose Clay Mask, and I've tried out this mask once. This is a decent clay mask and I got it for free when I purchased the Colorbar product. I've also got the Colorbar On The Go Makeup Remover Wipes, and these are really good makeup remover wipes. They work very well and I love the cute travel friendly packaging of these wipes. The next product that I've got is from the brand Smashbox, and this is the Cali Contour Kit, and this is what the outer packaging of the Cali Contour Kit looks like. I absolutely love the stunning packaging of the Cali Contour Smashbox Kit, and these are the 6 shades that you get inside this. This also comes with a huge mirror, which I like. This is a really amazing kit, but I just don't like the contour shade that is present inside this and the bronzing shade. I think they do not suit my skin tone. They are very cool toned and they do not show up on my skin. They do not look flattering on my skin tone, and I'm not at all impressed by the contour shade and the bronze shade present inside this kit. But the setting powder, the highlighter shades and the matte blush shade, they look absolutely stunning on my skin. They are one of the most amazing highlighters, and they look absolutely gorgeous on my skin, and the blush is stunning. It's a very beautiful terracotta shade and it is going to look absolutely stunning on medium to deeper skin tones. I absolutely love the matte blush, the setting powder and the highlighter. I'm not completely disappointed with this palette, but I'm not satisfied with this palette too. I do love the packaging. I do love the fact that they have a very good formula. I really love the packaging of this kit. Apart from that, I don't like the contour and the bronze shade from this Smashbox palette. I also received a couple of Smashbox products for free after purchasing this kit. And the first product that I got is the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara, and this is the Smashbox Super Fan Fanned Out Mascara, and I do love this mascara. This is a really good mascara and it gives you length to your lashes, and this is a full size mascara which I received and I really love this mascara. The second free product from Smashbox is the Smashbox Always On Cream to Matte Lipstick, and I love this shade that I received from Smashbox. This is in the shade Hoops On, and I absolutely love this. This is such a gorgeous brown shade. Not exactly brown, it has also got a little hint of burgundy or wine, and this looks absolutely stunning on the lips. And I think this is one of the best lipsticks that you can have for Christmas, for the fall season. And I absolutely love this lipstick and I just adore this lipstick. This is so beautiful and I love the shade, and I'm totally crushing on this lipstick and I can't wait to try out this lipstick. Now the other liquid lipstick that I got from Smashbox is in the shade Audition, and this does not suit my skin tone. I think it is suitable for only fair skin tones, but I have applied it on my lips today on top of the brown lip liner, and I think it is working very well with the dark colored lip liner. And this is a trick which I love to do. If I have got something like this which does not work for me, then I like to pair it up with a darker colored lipstick or lip liner. Today I've applied the brown color lip liner from the brand Colorbar, and on top of that I have gone ahead and applied this liquid lipstick, and this is what the lip shade looks like, and I absolutely love this. I'm definitely going to apply this lip combination in future. I think this shade looks absolutely stunning with deeper lip colors, and I love this combo, and I'm definitely going to wear this combo again and again. And I don't want to waste this lipstick since this is such a cute lipstick, so I'm going to pair it up with deeper lip liners. And I also got a hair color. This is the Be Blunt Salon Secret hair color, and this is in the shade Cherry Red. I wanted to try out this color Cherry Red, so I purchased this, and I need to color my hair very soon. And I also received the Be Blunt Intense Moisture Shampoo for free on purchase of this hair color by Be Blunt, and I'm yet to try out the shampoo. So yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.